scheduled a tour. Okay, I'm looking real like, oh my gosh, my freaking hair. Okay, my hair got more messed up on the golf cart thingy, but those apartments were actually really nice. Just not like my last apartment, but my very first apartment. So cute, so nice, so fresh. I'd probably be the first resident in that apartment because this is literally brand new. Kind of pricey, but it's right next to where I work. Like it's in a good location for me, in a good safe location. Leasing people were really nice. I just wish she spoke up a little. When she saw the camera, she got a little like frightened, I feel. I don't know, she didn't say anything though. We're on the way to our next one. I literally just booked it randomly, so I don't know if I've ever even rode past this place before, but we'll see. I'm not gonna lie, like there's still literally freaking building. This is the leasing office because there's still a building, and I didn't even know I could pull in here, but I could, so I'm her. I know all these new places right now.
Can you help me today?
I scheduled a tour at 12.
Sure. Who do we have the pleasure of speaking with?
Right.
We'll probably be done in about February of 2024.
Okay.
Luckily, they have started. I mean, they have finished our clubhouse. We'll probably go into that in the next few days. You don't need that.
Oh wow.
Feels so good in here. I want you to recognize that. And the AC, just so you know, is on 70.
Okay.
All of our appliances are energy efficient. Extra space there.
Okay.
You'll get your brand new full-size washer and dryer here. You can even do 3 bars if you want that. You have storage on the balcony. Places don't come with that anymore. And then you get the wow. And I
Teak wood, that's like waterproof. You put that school in there.
and it's inexpensive.
No. Well, yeah, because I do YouTube, so I'll be editing.
So it's a nice little space. If you want to put a desk in here, you could, or in your bedroom. But like I said, I like having usable space.
Yeah.
You want it to not just be here, you want it to be functional. It's going to be either your linen closet or pantry, whatever you need it for. I love that there's outlets on every wall.
Oh.
And yeah, it's one of those things you don't notice until you need it.
Yeah.
Alright. This is the 2-bedroom.
Oh, wow.
Yes. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
How much is this one?
These are, I start off with 1796 price.
Okay.
Not too far off. And I think this one, we'll do reversions to see if these lights on back here.
I said the amount of space in here is a great layout for my space.
Wow.
And I always tell you, another month, 2, these are going to be $200 to $300 higher, easy.
Really?
Right. I guarantee. All of our 2 bedrooms come with a den area. Some have doors, some don't. Most of them do have doors, simple ones.
Mm-hmm.
But nice, good closet in each bedroom. So you notice in the other bathroom, you got the nice soaking tub. You want me to get a 3-bedroom, Kayla? Let me give you a mic. You want me to do that? 4 bar stools. I love I'm a clean counter type of person.
Yeah.
Even when I go to Kayla's house, I be putting stuff up. I don't like to see stuff on the counters. I love that there's enough space for everything to be put away. All of it's functional. You got your space underneath the sink.
All having the bedrooms on the opposite sides, because even if it was like a situation where you were with somebody,
Yeah.
Everybody got their own space.
You got your own space. You come together and live.
Y'all, it's blazing. It's really hot, and I look a freaking mess. My hair is like sweating out so badly. Usually doesn't, but it's really hot. We had to walk far. But I will say, those were like the best leasing agent people that I've ever encountered. Super nice, super confident, super helpful. I think I'm gonna see one more today. Can I get a large apple juice and a cookie warmed? I'll see y'all at the last apartment. Leasing office is gorgeous. Which way do I go in? There's a lot of parallel parks, so I don't really know how I feel about that because I'm not a parallel park girl.
This Clubhouse, this is all the resident Clubhouse, so it's open between 9 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Okay.
Okay, so that's the time frame. 9 to 9, my bad. So that's the time frame that you can come in here. You have the 3-member office, which you can use. You have the Dell or Mac computer, which you can come in here and use, as well as there's also a print up under the bottom that you can print off your documentation. Outside of that, you're more than welcome to come and utilize the space as you can, reserve it for private parties as well. It's only $300 to reserve for a private party, and it's $150 for a security deposit. So long as there's no damages, no noise complaints, and everything is entertain inside. Coming through here, this is going to be the mail room. So anything that's through the postal service will arrive here. And these boxes, anything from your carrier, PSX, all those will all go inside of this room here. And then you'll get a QR code and or a 6-digit pin that will coming inside of the gym. All of your cardio is going to be in this half. Everything, the heart rate is in this half. As far as arms and legs will all be in this area here. To be the yoga studio. Great thing about the yoga studio is going to be all of the. So you are more than welcome to come out by the pool. Our pool is going to be year round. Pool does close at 9 o'clock. A lot of people do ask if it is a saltwater pool. It is a saltwater pool. I tell people it's just like being in your own backyard. You have all of your sunbeds, which is going to be on this half. You have all of your social seating, which is going to be around this half of the pool. This space that you can use. It's going to be a double-sided fireplace, so you can use the fireplace from both sides, as well as you're more than welcome to watch TV out here. Most of the spaces that you guys can entertain in, so even if it's a swing game for the day, you're more than welcome to come out here and use the swings as well. Okay? Now, some of the perks in all of the buildings, no matter what building that you're going to be in, there is going to be elevators in every single building.
Oh, wow.
As well as there's storages on every single floor. So just in case you are coming from a bigger space to a smaller space, you have more than enough storage here on site to be able to accommodate everything that you have. Okay. As well as we do have reserved parking, so you can get your own dedicated spot here on property too as well. So if you would like to have your own dedicated spot, you are more than welcome to. It's only $50 a month if you want to do your own dedicated spot. And then as far as just the storage prices, just in case you want to know what those would average around, you're looking at anywhere from $35 to $75.
Okay.
For the storage.
It's not bad.
And then kind of tell me about yourself. Where are you from?
Kinda.
Okay. Well, I'll tell you, you pretty much buy everything. Okay. If you're a shopper, you're gonna hate our property. The reason why I say that is because we're close to 2 prominent malls. If you like me, on Fridays, I have to pass a mall, and so for me, it's like, well, you know what? I can stop and buy.
Yeah.
But we're close to 2 prominent malls. One's gonna be Concord. Literally, it's the next exit. So if you're familiar with Concord Mills Mall, you know that's literally where everything is. So all of your food is going to be over there. Most of your department stores, so TJ Maxx, Ross, Walmart, Lowe's, pretty much everything you can think of will be over there. And then literally maybe 3 exits going the opposite direction is going to be North Lake. If you're looking at more so just your day-to-day things, everything's going to be in the Holland Bridge Shopping Center, which if you come out our community and make a right, go around the 2 roundabouts, you're literally there. So that's going to be your Chick-fil-A, your Bojangles, your Salsaria is going to be over there. Here's Teeter. Publix is also over there. Bank of America, Wells Fargo, so the stainless steel appliances, but we upgraded them and gave you the side-by-side with ice dispenser with a dispenser on the front. You get the flat top stove as you see here, as well as all of your brass nickel finishings all throughout the home as well, okay? You get the his and hers, excuse me, not the his and hers, but inside of here, you can fit king size bed, 2 nights and insurance are comfortable inside, okay? All of our living spaces and bedroom spaces always come with the ceiling fan and light. And those are dimmable and adjustable for fan speed as well. Okay? Now inside the bathroom, this is where you're going to get the his and hers vanity with all the extra drawer space, cabinetry space to be able to put everything away. As well as right behind the door. Great thing about this floor plan, you really don't share anything with anybody. You get your own linen closet here. You're going to get the shower tub combo so you can choose if you want to relax, you want to hop in and get out. As well as great thing about this floor plan, this is going to give you the biggest square footage when it comes to your closet space as well. So you're going to get a U-shaped closet, and you have closet space end to end to be able to put everything away. Okay? Bedroom, you can definitely fit a king size bed, 2 nights inch dresser comfortably inside. Just in case you have a queen, this is how the spacing of the room would be. This is going to be a queen size bed, but it can definitely accommodate a king size inside here too as well. This room also gets its own walk-in closet as well as its own linen closet. So I tell people if you have like a lot of shoes. You can probably get about 25 to 30 pair of shoes down here at the bottom. And then I don't know nobody that's got this many washcloths in or towels. So you'll use your first two for washcloths and towels, and then the bottom for jeans and different things of that nature too as well. And then you still get all this extra cabinetry space, drawer space to be able to put everything away. Still get the shower tub combo, Jack and Jill bathroom. Nobody ever has to enter this bathroom to use this room as well. And then washer and dryer does come included, so we service provide, take care of these for you too as well. All of the appliances in the home will always be GE appliances, so those are the most energy efficient appliances known to me. Okay.